Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup ramen with Maggi. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite Maggi ramen packets and any desired toppings. Next, prepare your cooking station and a small pot. We'll then move on to the simple steps of cooking the noodles and creating a flavorful broth. Finally, I'll show you how to customize and serve your perfect bowl. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a small pot. Once it's bubbling, carefully add your Maggi ramen noodles. Don't forget to stir in the seasoning packet that comes with your ramen. This is where much of the flavor comes from. Let it all simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly tender. This is where you can truly make your ramen unique. For extra richness, try adding a soft-boiled egg. Sliced green onions offer a lovely fresh crunch and color. If you want a more substantial meal, cooked protein like chicken or tofu works wonderfully. A small dash of sesame oil at the end can also elevate the aroma and flavor profile. Your delicious Maggi ramen soup is ready. Carefully pour the hot ramen into your favorite bowl. Now, artfully arrange any additional toppings you've prepared right on top. This not only makes it look appealing, but also ensures every bite is flavorful. Serve it immediately to enjoy the warmth and fresh taste. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.